Sit in any comfortable position for opening the class. Spine straight, adopt chin mudra, eyes closed, inhale deeply, exhale slowly, inhale, exhale, inhale for 3 times Om followed by opening mantra. Opening mantra, repeat after me. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तम् प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking open your eyes. Om Shanti. What was the topic of our last class? Anybody tell me? What was the topic of our last class? Anybody hearing me? Repeat. Our last class topic was facial bones. Am I correct? So write down the function of facial bones. The first function is it provides cavity to our 4 sense organs. It provides cavity to our 4 sense organs. Those are eyes, nose, ear and tongue. It provides cavity to our 4 sense organs. Those are eyes, nose, tongue and ears. It provides attachment surface. It provides attachment surface to the facial muscles. It provides attachment surface to the facial muscles. And the next function is teeth are embedded, E-M-B-E-D-D-E-D, teeth are embedded in mandible and maxilla, those helps in chewing. So this was the function about facial bones. Any question from the skull, cranial and facial bones? Anybody have question? Am I audible or not? Why you are not replying my question? Bali Yoga School, please reply. Next topic is middle ear bones. Middle ear bones and head bones. Middle ear bones and head bone. There is 3 middle ear bones. 3 middle ear bones each side. The first one is malleus, M-A-L-L-E-U-S, malleus. Second one is incus, I-N-C-U-S, incus. And the third one is stapes, S-T-A-P-E-S. First one is malleus, second is incus and third is stapes. The middle ear bones, also known as auditory ossicles, A-U-D-I-T-O-R-Y, auditory ossicles, O-S-S-I-C-L-E-S, auditory ossicles. Those helps in transmission, and sound vibrations. These auditory ossicles helps in transmission and sound vibrations. The next topic is hyoid bone, H-Y-O-I-D, hyoid bone. It lies between mandible and larynx. It lies between mandible and larynx, means at this point the location of head bone. It also known as tongue bone. It also known as tongue bone or lingual bone, lingual, lingual bone. It is a horseshoe shaped bone. It is a horseshoe shaped bone, HORSE, horseshoe shaped bone. It provides attachment for the base of tongue. It provides attachment for the base of tongue and also provide attachment to the floor of the muscle of oral cavity, to the muscle of the floor of oral cavity, muscle of the floor of oral cavity. It provides attachment to the base of tongue and the muscles of floor of oral cavity. Clear? Louis ma'am? Farida ma'am? Any question from middle ear bones and head bone? Anybody have any question? No. I have a question. Which one is the smallest bone of human body? Which bone is the smallest bone of human body? Anybody knows? Tell me.
The stapes.
Yeah, stapes. STAPES. Stapes is the smallest bone of human body. Clear? Write down the next topic, vertebral column. Vertebral column, VERTEBRAL. Vertebral column, COLUMN. Vertebral column. Note down, there is 26 bones in vertebral column. There is 26 bones in vertebral column, but vertebral column has 33 vertebrae. 33 vertebrae, VERTEBRAE. Vertebral column has 33 vertebrae. There is 26 bones, but 33 vertebrae are there. And vertebral column has 23 intervertebral discs. Vertebral column has 23 intervertebral discs. There is 24 physical vertebra present. There is 24 physical vertebra present. One sacrum is there and one coccyx is there. When 24 physical vertebrae is present, then why there is 23 vertebral discs? Anybody answer this question? There is 24 physical vertebrae. So there should be 24 intervertebral discs. Why 23 intervertebral discs? Farida ma'am. शांति लता मैम,
Namaste ji.
नमस्ते. Answer my question. Answer my question. Anybody?
What is that? I'm so sorry.
There is 24 physical vertebra above sacrum. So there should be 24 vertebral discs also. Why there is 23 vertebral discs present? Total 33 vertebrae are there in vertebral column, 26 bones, but 24 physical vertebrae are present and there is 23 vertebral discs. Why one less than vertebra? Vertebral discs are one less than physical vertebrae. There is 23 vertebral discs. Why? Louise ma'am,
I don't know.
because there is no vertebral disc, intervertebral disc in between atlas and axis, first vertebra and second vertebra. Between first and second vertebra there is no disc. So there is 23 vertebral discs present in vertebral column. Clear? Further write down, vertebral column is a long curved rod. Vertebral column is a long curved rod present in between skull and hip, present in between skull, skull, skull and hip. It is 71 centimeter long in average male. It is 71 centimeter long in average male and 61 centimeter long in average female. It is 71 centimeter long in average male and 61 centimeter long in average female. It depends upon height. It varies upon height. If female is more taller, then it will be larger than 61 centimeter, and if male is short or small in height, so this will be less than 71 centimeter. Clear? The vertebral column divided into 5 parts. Vertebral column divided into 5 parts. The first one is 7 cervical vertebrae. 7 cervical vertebrae. CERVICAL. 7 cervical vertebrae. CERVICAL. Cervical vertebrae. VERTEBRAE. It present in neck region. It present in neck region, and in short it known as C7. In short it known as C7. Next, there is 12 thoracic vertebrae. First part is 7 cervical vertebra and second part is 12 thoracic vertebrae. THORACIC. thoracic vertebrae, vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae. It present in chest region or thoracic region. It present in thoracic region and provides attachment points to the ribs of thoracic cage. It provides attachment points to the ribs of thoracic cage. In short, it is known as T12. In short, it is known as T12, means thoracic 12. The third part is lumbar vertebrae, LUMBER, lumbar vertebrae. 5 lumbar vertebrae. 5 lumbar vertebrae are there in belly region. 5 lumbar vertebrae are there in belly region and it supports to lower back. It supports to lower back. 5 lumbar vertebrae are there, it supports to lower back. In short, it is known as L5. In short, it is known as L5. The fourth part is 5 sacral vertebrae, SACRAL, 5 sacral vertebrae. The 5 sacral vertebrae fuse together. The 5 sacral vertebrae fuse together to form a single bone called sacrum. 5 sacral vertebrae fuse together to form a single bone called sacrum, SACRUM. And the fifth part is 4 coccygeal vertebrae. 4 coccygeal vertebrae, COCCYGEAL, 4 coccygeal, COCCYGEAL, 4 coccygeal vertebrae. These 4 coccygeal vertebrae fuse to form a single bone called coccyx, 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 also known as tailbone. Coccyx also known as tailbone. So there is 33 vertebrae in vertebral column, 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 12 plus 7, 19, plus 5 lumbar vertebrae, 24, plus 5 sacral vertebrae, 24 plus 5, 29, plus 4 coccygeal vertebrae, 29 plus 4, 33. So 33 vertebrae are there. But 26 bones present in vertebral column, 7 in cervical, 12 in thoracic, 5 in lumbar. 7 plus 12, 19 plus 5, 24, plus 1 sacrum and 1 coccyx. 24 plus 1 sacrum, 25, plus 1 coccyx, 26. 26 bones are there in vertebral column, but there is 33 vertebrae. Any question till here? Shanti ma'am? No question?
Not for now, thank you.
Okay. The first vertebra, write down, the first vertebra name is atlas. The first vertebra name is Atlas.
Sorry, what?
Atlas, A-T-L-A-S. The first vertebra name is Atlas, A-T-L-A-S, on which W-H-I-C-H, our skull, S-K-U-L-L, skull rests, R-E-S-T-S. The first vertebra name is Atlas, A-T-L-A-S, on which our skull rests. It provides forward and backward movement to head. It provides front and back movement to head, and also known as yes bone. Atlas provide front and back movement to head and also known as yes bone, Y-E-S, yes bone, because the front and back movement of head is the symbol of yes. The front and back movement of the head is the symbol of yes, so Atlas is also known as yes bone because it provides head to front and back movement. Clear? Any question? No. I have a question.
Sorry. I don't understand this atlas skull. It is related to our cervical bone.
Yeah, it is the first cervical vertebra.
Okay, thank you.
It is the first cervical vertebra named Atlas. Clear?
Yes, clear.
On which our skull rests. Our skull rests on the first vertebra named Atlas. So, why the name of first vertebra is Atlas? Why first vertebra named as Atlas? Anybody? Tell me. Who is Atlas? Louise ma'am. Who is Atlas? Atlas is the Greek supreme god who holds the globe on his shoulder. Atlas is Greek supreme god who holds the globe on his shoulder, and the first vertebra of our cervical region or in vertebral column, first vertebra holds our skull, so it's named Atlas after the Greek supreme god. Clear? The second vertebra name is axis. The second vertebra name is axis, A-X-I-S. The second vertebra of vertebral column called axis, and it provides side rotation to head. It provides side rotation to head, also known as no bone. It known as no bone because the side rotation is the symbol of no.
Sorry,
Yeah, no bone. No. No. Because side rotation is the symbol of no. Clear?
Clear.
Any question till here? If anybody have any question, please ask me.
I have question.
Yes.
When we do the sarwangasan or the shoulder stand.
Yeah.
So this Atlas is the one who
We did Sarvangasan. The weight of Sarvangasan comes on shoulder and our cervical vertebrae rotates.
so the whole
Whole cervical vertebrae rotates.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
So now I am going to close the session. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Eyes closed. Adopt chin mudra. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om followed by closing mantra. Closing mantra, repeat after me. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. And sit in any meditative pose for few minutes. You can adopt any mudra. Spine straight, eyes closed. Look your breath, how it's coming in and going out. Observe your every breath. And look how it moving inside your nostril to lung and lungs to nostril. Concentrate on Ajna Chakra, that is third eye chakra, between both eyebrows. Concentrate on breath. Take your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head. Rub your both palm. Place it on your eyes. Slowly and gently, while blinking with a great smile, open your eyes. Om Shanti.